Many of the people in the process of searching for jobs, they maintain more than one LinkedIn account. Is it a good idea? LinkedIn generally does not allow people to have more than one account for the sake of security and identity theft related issues. At the same time, when you're searching for the job, if you maintain two LinkedIn accounts, either with the same name or with different names, then it is going to damage your job search campaign instead of helping it. Because if you have different names in the LinkedIn account, obviously if you have some other name in your resume, then the chances of recruiter finding your LinkedIn profile is very difficult. So the best practice is whatever name is on your resume, it is better you maintain the same name in your LinkedIn as well. That way they can just copy paste the name and search for your LinkedIn profile. You can put the LinkedIn URL on your resume, but then recruiters doesn't always directly go through LinkedIn URL, but many a time, whether it is recruiters or the hiring managers or others, they always try to type your full name and then try to search for your LinkedIn URL. So this practice of maintaining multiple LinkedIn accounts is definitely not good, and it is not going to add any value to the job search. In fact, it will delay your job search further. So don't do this mistake.